Alright, hey guys, we got southbound AMTRAK 702, number 20. AMTRAK 702, number 25, southbound the Bakersfield. And we also have the UP Z train coming in. When I last looked, AMTRAK was an hour and 14 minutes late. An hour and 14 minutes late. So it's very, very late. And it looks like he'll be taking the 2 track of the Z trains on the 1 track for UP. So, they should be getting ready to go down here any second. Yep, like I said, there they go. I don't know which one's taking which. I think AMTRAK's going to, but I could be wrong. AMTRAK coming on to 2. Cab car. 69, 65. And F59. 2013. There goes that train, guys. Z train's on the 1 track, so I'm gonna pause it and I'll start recording when the Z train shows up. So let's try peace out. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. The northbound UP ZLTG2. He's got a green on the main track, and we have a Thundercat base for 70M leader. And he's coming quick. He's moving it. Looks like it might be a possible UP ace. Yeah, UP ace leader. Thundercab. Okay, start going down. Woo! There we go! Clean ace, clean ace! Woohoo! You beat it, 40, 70! 81, 92, 52, 55! Woohoo! Rebuild XSP! Nicely done! Michael Chase leader! That's what I call a horn show! Two units helping. No, we got 3. No, 2. Never mind, it's 2. Just 2. We're gonna have UP, both Chivos, 8081 and 7346. There it goes, guys. And the Z train. Subscribe, peace out.